Very cool morning, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today we are going to learn EVS subject and topic as we had learned beta regarding seasons last week. Summer season we already learned. So this week we are going to learn about rainy season. Which season, dear kids? Rainy season. Yes, I will show you something. Yes. Yes, dear kids, which season is this? Rainy season. Yes, look at these children. They are enjoying in rainy season. One girl is wearing a raincoat and another boy is holding umbrella. Yes. Oh wow, look at here. These children are enjoying during rainy season. Wow, look at here. This boy is holding umbrella and this girl is wearing a raincoat and enjoying rainy season. Yes. Yes, dear kids. This boy is enjoying in rainy season. Look at here. Oh wow, frog. Yes, dear kids, children love to play with paper boat also. Yes, look at here. Wow. Yes, dear kids, look at here. Some paper boats are floating here. Yes, children are love to play with paper boat making and love to play with paper boats. Look at here, children are enjoying love to play in rainy season along with frog. Look at here, frog is also sitting here. Yes, okay. Yes, by seeing umbrella. Which season beta? Which season we will use umbrella? Yes, you are right. That is rainy season. Yes, in rainy season we use umbrella, raincoat, gumboots also. Yes. Okay. Yes, dear kids. In rainy season, which type of food we like to have beta? That is hot soup, hot milk, carrot, then guava, corn. Yes, all these food items are we like to have in rainy season. Okay. Yes, dear kids, look at here, guava. Guava, guava. What is this? Carrot. Carrot, carrot. Now we will read all these spellings, dear kids. Hot soup, any type of soup, that is vegetable soup. Yes, different types of vegetable we will get. So that hot soup we have to have in rainy season. Okay, that is good for our health also. Then hot milk. Yes, you have to take hot milk daily during rainy season. Then carrot, guava. Have you seen now? Then corn, butta. Okay. Now we will read all this spelling also. H-O-T, hot. S-O-U-P, soup, hot soup. Then H-O-T, hot. M-I-L-K, milk, hot milk. C-A-R-R-O-T, carrot, gajar. G-U-A-V-A, गावा. गावा मीन्स क्या होता है बताइए? Yes, Kava means jam. Okay. Then corn cobs means bhutta. Yes. CORNCOBS. Corn cobs. Yes, dear kids. Now try to read as well as try to draw also beta in your 4-line notebook. Okay. Now tell me which season we are going to learn. Yes, I am going to show you something. Who is he? Come on, tell me. Yes, you are right. He is a snowman. Children love to make snowman. Yes? Okay. So, now tell me which season is this? Which season beta? Yes, during winter season. Yes, during winter season, children love to make snowman. Look at here, how beautiful he is. How beautiful he is. Yes, he is a snowman. Say hi to snowman. Hello. Hello. Hello, dear children. Do you love to play with me? Do you like to play with me, dear children? Say yes. Yes. Come on, let's play. Oh, look at here. How wonderful he is. He is a snowman. Yes, children love to play with him. Children love to make snowman using snow during winter season. I think you had enjoyed with snowman. Yes, dear kids. Now we will see some of the food items which we like to have in winter season. That is hot drinks. Yes, hot drinks like hot soup, hot milk. यानी गरम खाना हमको खाना पसंद होता है ना during winter season. सर्दी का मौसम. Yes, come on, tell me which season is going on. That is winter season. Yes, अभी कौन सा मौसम चल रहा है बच्चों? Yes, you are right. अभी सर्दी का मौसम चल रहा है ना? Yes, then we like to eat carrot also. Yes, आपको पता है ना, मम्मा लोग आपको कैरेट का हलवा बनाकर देते हैं. Yes, you love to eat carrot. Yes, Mrs. also love to eat carrot. Yes, so you also have to eat carrot. This is good for health. Yes, then yes, dear kids, hot soup we have to take. That is garam soup आपको पीनी चाहिए. Garam दूध, hot milk, garam दूध. Okay. Then hot food. Hot food means गरम खाना है ना. विंटर में हमको गरम गरम चीज़ खाने में मज़ा आती है ना. Yes. Then nuts, dry fruits. Okay. काजू, बादाम है ना. Almond. Okay. Cashew nuts. Then orange. Oh, yummy orange. Yes, orange भी आपको खानी चाहिए. Then carrot. Okay. So we will read all this spelling also beta. HOT hot, SOUP soup, hot soup. HOT hot, MILK milk, hot milk. Then HOT hot, FOOD food. Hot food means garam khana. Nuts, NUTS nuts. ORANGE orange. Then CARROT carrot. Okay. So try to write and draw also beta. Yes, in your EVS 4-line notebook. Okay. Yes, dear kids, today we had learned about seasons, dear kids. So once again we will revise the seasons. Yes, along with their food items. Okay, dear kids. This is winter season. Yes, in winter season, children will love to play with snowman using snow. Yes. Yes, look at here. Children love to make snowman and play with snowman also. Okay, dear kids. Now we will look the food items which we have in winter season. Hot milk. Yes. Then this is hot milk. Hot soup. Hot food. And we love to eat carrots also. Now we had now tell me which season is this? Yes, you are right. This is rainy season. In rainy season, we can use umbrella. Yes, we will use umbrella. Yes, dear kids, in rainy season we will use umbrella. Okay. Oh, look at here. How beautiful umbrella. Yes. Winter season we will use umbrella, and along with this, now we will see the food items which we will have in rainy season. Hot soup. Yes. Hot milk. Then corn. And carrots. Yes, dear kids. All these food items we love to eat in rainy season. Hot soup, hot milk, corn, then guava, gooseberry, then carrot. Yes, dear kids, I think you had understood the seasons along with their food items. Okay. Now take out page number 6 to 62, dear kids. What you have to do is, these are some things which we use during winter or during rainy season. Write W for winter and R for rainy season near each picture. Okay, we have to write W or R near the picture. Now tell me, which picture is this? This is raincoat. Yes, so we will write the name of the season only first letter. So we will write here R. R for rainy season. Okay. Now tell me, which season we will wear sweater, beta? Yes, you are right. That is winter season. So we will write here W. W for winter. Yes, in winter season we will wear sweater. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? This is gloves. In which season we like to wear gloves? In winter season. So we have to write here W. W for winter. Yes, dear kids. Now tell me, which season we will wear gumboots? Yes, you are right. That is in rainy season. Okay. So we will write here R. R for rainy. Okay. Yes, now children, tell me, which picture is this? This is an umbrella. So in which season we will use umbrella? Yes, you are right. That is rainy season. So R for rainy. Okay, dear kids. Yes, dear kids. Now tell me, which picture is this? This is woolen cap. Yes, we will use in winter season. Yes. So, what we will write here, beta? W for winter. So, you have to write here W. W for winter season. I think you had understood how to complete this page, beta. Okay. Now, dear kids, take out page number 6565. Yes, 6565. So, in this page, write the name of the season below each picture. Have you seen these pictures? Okay. Yes, now tell me which picture is this, beta? Yes, this is the season of winter. Okay. Which picture is this? This is winter season. Now we will write winter here. We have to mention the season. W I N T E R, winter. Which season is this? Winter season. Now tell me which season is this? Yes, you are right. This is rainy season. So we have to write here rainy. R A I N Y, rainy. Okay. Yes, dear kids. Now tell me which season is this? This is spring season. Okay. Which season is this? This is spring season. So we will write here spring. S P R I N G, spring. Now look at this picture and tell me which season is this? Oh yes, you are right. We love to eat ice cream in this season. Yes, that is summer. Okay. Now we will write here S U M M E R, summer. Yes, dear kids, I think you had understood about the seasons and we had written the names also, beta. This way you have to complete this page and send it to me, dear kids.